A long time ago, there was a cute apple tree. A little boy loved to come and play around it every day. He climbed to the treetop, ate apples, and took a nap under the shadow. He loved the tree, and tree loved to play with him. Time went by. The little boy had grown up. He no longer play around the tree every day. The tree feels sad by the behavior of the boy. One day, the boy come back to the tree and tree looked sad. Come and play with me, the boy replied. I'm no longer a kid. I do not play around trees anymore. I want toys. I need money to buy them. I don't have money, but you can pick all my apples and sell them so you have money. The boy was excited. He grabbed all the apples on the tree. He put all the apples in the basket and left happily and never came back. The tree became sad. One day, the boy who turned into a man returned. The tree was excited and said, Come and play with me. The boy replied, I do not have time to play. I have to do work for my family. We need a house for shelter. Can you help me? I do not have any house, but you can chop off my branches to build a house. The man cut off all the branches of the tree and left happily. The tree was glad to see him happy, but the man never came back since then. The tree was again lonely and sad. One hot summer day, the man was returned. The tree was delighted and said, Come and play with me. The man replied, I am getting old. I want to go sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat? Said the man. The tree replied, Use my trunk to build a boat you can sail far away and be happy. So the man cut the trunk of the tree and left the tree alone again. At last, the man returned after the many years and he got old. The tree said to the man, Sorry, my boy, but I don't have any things for you anymore. No more apples for you. I do not have any teeth to bite the apples. The tree said to the man, No more trunk for you to climb on. The man replied, I am too old for that. The tree said with tears to the man, I cannot give you anything. The only thing left is my dying roots. The man replied, I do not need much, just a place to rest. I am tired after all these years. The man sat down and the tree smiled with tears. This is a story of everyone. When we were young, we loved to play with our mom and dad. When we grown up, we leave them. Only come to when we need something or when we are in trouble. No matter what, parents will always be there and give everything they could just to make you happy. You may think the boy is cruel to the tree, but that is how all of us treat our parents. We can take them for granted. We don't appreciate all they do for us until it's too late. May God forgive us for our shortcomings and may He guide us.